Kindergarten Class of 2025. Today, we gather to celebrate the incredible growth.
My respect to our school district supervisor, Dr. Myrna Imuzu, to our school head, Mamela S. Fernandez, ladies and gentlemen, teachers, proud parents, and fellow movers, good morning and a warm welcome to this joyous occasion. Today we gathered here to celebrate a significant milestone in our young lives as we bid farewell to our kindergarten years and embark on an exciting new journey. I stand before you not just kindergarten completers, but as a representative of our bright and talented class. First and foremost, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our teachers and educators who have guided us with love and patience and with dedication throughout this formative chapter of our lives. You have nurtured our curious mind, encouraged our creativity, and instilled on us thirst for knowledge. To our parents, guardians, and family members, we owe you a heartfelt thank you. Your love and support have been the foundation of our education. You have been our cheerleader, our rock, our source of inspiration. To my fellow movers, we have shared unforgettable moments together. From our first day of school, filled with excitement, nervousness, we have formed lasting friendship. As we move forward, never forget the bond formed and the lesson we have learned from one another. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you, Kid. This time, I can... Maria Isabella G. Mona Zaira Luzano. Pagiran Ashley Kate Sangalia. Pedroso Rizali Ihano. Academic excellent performer, public speaker, aspiring author, potential composer, quantum leap, naturalist award, eager viewer award, task champ award, kayako award, artistic hands award, tiny tidy award, happy helper award, Tom helper, and Miss Motivator. Banog Carl Noah, outstanding pupil, good communicator, star reader award, body mathematician, naturalist award, eager viewer award, fast talk award, kaya ko award. eskwela.